Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of July Junk Journal Challenge. So I'm Leigh, I'm in Australia and I'm running this weekday challenge during the month of July. Up to day 7, which is the 3rd day of week 2. Just tick that off before I forget. And the prompt for today is stamp it. Well, you can see I've been practicing on my desk here. I've got this really good stamp, but I can't get it to stamp properly with my inks. So I'm going to try it out with a bit of watered down acrylic paint, which I just have over here on a little gel plate here. You can see I've been trying it, and that's why my fingers look so disgusting. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a quick background. I've got a corner missing off this page, so I don't know what to do about that. But I'm just going to get some paper down to make that page a little bit more sturdy. And then I'll have a go at putting this stamp on the page. And I've got some other stamps here too. So I hope everybody is enjoying the challenge and you like seeing everybody's work. It's been pretty much a joy for me to see it all. Really been taking it all in, checking everybody's work out. It's wonderful. What next? I've got some of this I did with the leaves and the watercolour a couple of weeks ago now, I guess. So I'll use a little bit of that. It's got interesting marks on it. I'll put that there and I'll leave that overhanging. I'll get rid of this. If you're playing along with this, you can post on Instagram and on Facebook. There's a Facebook group, so links to everything is in the video description box. So check that out. Alrighty, now give this stamping a go. I hope that's still wet enough. Okay. I need to put a little bit more paint on there. I'm going to use the brayer to roll it onto the stamp. Always think about this after the fact. So if you're trying to stamp through something lumpy, putting a piece of foam or something squishy underneath the page makes it work better. That's better. I'm just going to go up the top. I'll just be burying that original stamp, but it doesn't matter because I was going to be putting other things up there anyway. Okay. So I'll dry that off a bit. Actually, no, I won't. I'm going to get another stamp. Just so that doesn't go to waste, I'm just going to stamp it on there. See, it looks quite nice when you overlap it. Okay, I've got this, which is a cutting mat, and the side that goes down on your bench when you're cutting has got that pattern in it. So I'm going to put some of that on there. Okay, so I'm liking the way this is looking already. Do I want to put any other stamps on there? Maybe some text. I've got a text stamp here. And I'll just wash my stamps after I've finished. Soak them in for a little while in water, and all the paint will come off. It's acrylic paint. You can't really see that. I'm certain it's there. I can see it, but to you probably can't. I'll just do one over here so you can see the effect. It's the sort of stamp that sort of fades into the background anyway. I don't think I'll put anything else on there because it's starting to get a little bit messy. So what I will do is dry that off and then come back and do the next thing. Alrighty, so I'm going to call that done. So that's day 7, stamp it. So I've stamped all over my background, and then I've just made this bit of a collage on the front here. So that was cut out of a Birds and Blooms magazine. That's a watercolour flower I painted myself and I had in my stash. I cut it down, it was bigger. Collage soup, digital, used Stabilo, woody, pencil / crayon, and that's a gold paint pen, and that's white paint in a little squeezy bottle. But it's really hard to squeeze, that's why they're not all consistent. And I've just written on there, remember, someone is always watching over you, leading you towards the light. Alrighty, let me know in the comments what you think. Hope you enjoyed that. Have fun in your crafting room. So the prompt for day 8 is words. I'll see you then. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!